Top stories from around the island. To the point. Without the fluff. Puerto Rico headline news. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification.
4 passengers on the Anthem of the Seas cruise ship were taken to a hospital this Friday after presenting symptoms similar to those of the coronavirus. 27 cruise passengers on board reportedly had traveled to China recently. At this moment, none of the 4 suspected cases have been diagnosed with the coronavirus. The cruise ship left the port of Bayonne, New Jersey on January 27, 2020 and headed for the Caribbean, which included a stop in the port of San Juan, Puerto Rico on January 30, 2020. In a statement by Royal Caribbean spokeswoman Melissa Charbonneau, she confirmed that the cruise company is working closely with health officials to control the spread of the coronavirus. We are closely monitoring everything related to the coronavirus, and we have rigorous medical protocols on our cruises, Charbonneau said. We continue to work with the CDC, the World Health Organization, and local health officials to follow their guidelines and thus guarantee the health and well-being of our passengers and crew, she added. Fortunately, the joint base of the Armed Forces McGuire-Dix Lakehurst in New Jersey and that of Fort Hamilton in New York have already been designated as emergency locations to keep potentially infected patients if an outbreak of the coronavirus should occur in the country. So far, 12 cases have been confirmed in the United States. The most recent one was diagnosed on Wednesday in Wisconsin, health officials reported. Currently, in New York, the test results of 2 people who had symptoms in New York City are expected soon. The test result can take up to 48 hours because they are taken by the CDC in Atlanta, Georgia. The mayor of New York, Bill de Blasio, said the CDC has provided the needed tools to the city, but laboratories are still needed in the city to perform the tests locally. The mayor also said they are trying to speed up the process. In Puerto Rico, although the Department of Health had already provided protocols that would be carried out if a possible case arose, Rafael Rodriguez said that since Puerto Rico does not receive direct flights from China, the virus would not reach the island. He failed to consider that there are other means of transportation besides airplanes, like cruise ships. These statements made many people in Puerto Rico feel unsafe and uncomfortable in his leadership and moved Senator Roxana Lopez to ask Governor Wanda Vazquez to fire the secretary earlier this week. The coronavirus causes what is being referred to as the Wuhan pneumonia that has so far caused 813 deaths and 37,553 infected worldwide, the National Health Commission of the Asian country reported on Friday. Many of the 27 passengers on the cruise ship may probably have gotten off to do some sightseeing in Old San Juan. The latest reports on the coronavirus indicate that one infected person, in general, infects 4 other people. The Department of Health of Puerto Rico, if they take this seriously, should immediately put out a statement to the population to be especially mindful of any flu-like symptoms and immediately go to a hospital for evaluation. Royal Caribbean has updated its travel restrictions on its website regarding the coronavirus. We continue to closely monitor global developments regarding the coronavirus, and we are fully focused on protecting the health and safety of our guests and crew. After consultation with medical experts and public health authorities, and in alignment with new, stricter CDC protocols, plus changes in various countries' requirements and regulations, along with our desire to ensure that we can provide a great vacation experience while we protect our guests and crew, we are implementing the following changes. Through February 2020, any guest that holds a Chinese, Hong Kong, or Macau passport will be unable to board any of our ships regardless of residency. Additionally, we've tightened our health screening requirements and the following guests will need to undergo extra screenings to ensure safety at the cruise terminal. Anyone that has been in contact with individuals that have traveled from, to, or through mainland China, Hong Kong, or Macau in the last 15 days. Anyone that feels unwell or demonstrates flu-like symptoms. Any guest presenting with fever or low blood oximetry in the specialized health screening will be denied boarding. We know that these steps are very conservative, and we apologize that they will inconvenience some of our guests. We regret to have to do this, but it is our responsibility to maintain a safe and healthy environment on board our ships as well as in the ports we visit. Thanks for watching. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. We look forward to providing a live English-based newscast soon for Puerto Rico Headline News.